go the she'll open it, flutter tool. No. Yeah, that. Yeah. It's gonna put something, okay? To 80% fan, so get up to a high. I can see the filament coming on. Is it printing? Uh-oh. Get out. We can get back. It is printing a tool holder. How much minutes? Oh, it will only take 1 hour, but it's a fast speed. It's 100%. It's 1% done. How fast? So good. How fast? Oh, I'm thinking. Oh, I know. It smells so good. It smells like lemon. It smells like lemon. Be aware, because don't touch this. All your hands might burn. Oh, don't touch this part. This part is the most dangerous part. It can burn your hand and it can cook your meat. But be really careful. Fast. Look guys, it's almost done. 10 days until Paris time. Guys, we'll connect 30 minutes. I'll take that. Orange color, okay? Um, it is not yellow. It is orange color. It is not yellow. It is orange color. Got it? Great. 40% done. Almost halfway. Can I take this out? Oh, that's hot. Ooh. Luckily, I'm turning on the light. It's great. Done. 51% halfway done. So 67%. And it looks real great. 39. We went down to 49 per hour per second. This is fast, man. Oh, this is actually fast. Left until the one. before and now after. Perfect. Guys, this is weak. Look, but look at broken. But I'm not. When this is attached, it's even stronger. Okay. And then just yeah, I know. I just here's the Elegoo sign. Elegoo sign. Wow. 10 more minutes. What? It's 62, but it has to be 60. Oh. But actually it has to be 60, but it's 63. Why? See? Nice. Oh, but it's not perfect. I'll cover up. Until posty. 8 more minutes until posty. 8 more minutes until posty. 8 more minutes until posty. 8 more minutes. No. 8 more minutes. Yes, go. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. We have to clean up because there's like thing on it, like it made mistakes. It's fast. Then
Yeah, ibu sebelah, ibu sebelah. Alright.
Another 4 minutes and then post time. Bum 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 bombastic spoiler. 3 more minutes. No, actually 3 more hours. 3 more hours with this. What Jay's about cat? Can I show this to all my friends? 2 more minutes until post time. 2 more minutes until post time. Dun 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 dun. Guys, this is our first print, and we build this from Friday at Monday we building it and at Tuesday right now we building it. Let's wait for 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds. It has to hit to 15. Done, guys, it's done. Let it cool more. It's cooling now. Okay, wait. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna take it off. Good. I'm not take, but I'm bad to it off. How do we take it off?
FBI, open up!
Look at it, it's done, and yeah, very smooth.